Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make the pen drive a bootable pen drive, so you can install the Windows operating system without using any tool, any software. So it's very easy, step by step program. So what you have to do, you should get ready with your first your ISO file. So for example, I have this ISO file in my system. This is the ISO file. I right click on this, open with Windows Explorer. So this file you have to paste it. So normally pen drive is not a bootable pen drive. To make a bootable pen drive, the process is something, but you have to be very careful, because in a pen drive maybe some data is there. So while making the bootable pen drive, it will erase, it's going to format your pen drive. So to open, you have to open the command prompt first. This is the command prompt. So here you need to type disk part. Okay, my disk part is open here. It's not very visible, so I'm going to make a little bit. It's not allowed here. Okay, so for your I written here some command, so you have to type step by step. So I have to type list disk. So it's going to give you the list of the disk. I can see here 465 GB is my hard drive, and 7 this MB 7392 is a pen drive. So you have to be very careful, otherwise if you select a wrong disk, going to format your hard drive itself, so your computer will be not you will not able to open your computer. So you're going to select, you have to be very careful here. Select disk 1. I want to, if you want to check it again you need to type list disk. I can see here is star over here, so that means it's selected first one. That is my pen drive. If I select 0, it's going to format my whole computer. So after that you need to clean it. Miss, if some data is there in a pen drive, then it will clean it. So it's going to take some time to format my pen drive. It's formatted. Okay, clean up disk. So now you need to create a partition. Create partition. You have to type a primary to make a bootable pen drive. primary, primary. Okay, this is also success. You have to make as active. Don't forget to write this command. If you don't make as active, it will not be a bootable pen drive. There is a two command over, you can see over here, fat 32 and NTFS. So my pen drive is 8 GB pen drive, so I'm going to format as a NTFS. Fat is 4 GB pen drive, and less memory pen drive, you can do that. NTFS quick. So it's going to format my pen drive. This is 0%. Okay, 100% completed. Now you have to assign. Okay, it will open this one. So here what you have to do, you just okay, copy all the file from here to your pen drive, whatever is open. showing 19 minutes. I'm not sure how much time it will take. So it will take a little bit time, so I'm going to pause the video and come back to you when it is 98%. Guys, still 10% is done copying the file, but I can tell you one thing. This little bit risky. You have to be very careful while typing the command. If you using some tool, that also fine. It's not a and it's not a problem, but this stuff, creating a bootable pen drive, you don't need any software. You don't need, just simple type the commands, it will make a bootable pen drive. It's very fast step. You don't need anything, just copy the file. So because the other software and tools, it will ask you to provide a ISO file. In this case, if you don't have ISO file, you have the files, copy here directly. You don't need any bootable, any CD or any ISO file. Just simply copy the file, it will make a bootable. And you can install the Windows like this. You can create any kind of bootable pen drive, no matter. It is something, it is only applicable for DOS operating system. You can I mean Windows operating system. If you want to install a Linux operating system like Ubuntu or any other Linux, so it will not it will not, it will not assign, it will not create a bootable pen drive. So for that you have to use some tool. And I can see while making a Ubuntu file bootable pen drive, I can see I just simply copy the file and it will start. So in this if in one more benefit also there. If you want to use this pen drive as a normal pen drive, just delete all the file and use normal pen drive, but don't format it. If you format it, you have to again make a bootable pen drive. So if you want to install another operating system, so you copy the file here in this pen drive and delete existing file, so your on another operating system will install. If you want to install Windows 10, like my this whatever I'm copying here is a Windows 10, so latest version. If I want to install Windows 7 or Windows 8, so in the same pen drive, if I delete all the file, I will not format my pen drive. I will delete all the file. I copy paste all the files here, Windows 7 or Windows 8. It will still will be a bootable pen drive. Even though you can install Windows XP also if you are using that one. And for your information, if you want to create a boot, if you don't have any ISO file, so one very simple step I can tell you. You just type here Windows media creation tool. So here you can see Windows disk image. So here you can see there is two options. You can upgrade. Here you can download. Click on download. It will install. I have separate video. I'm not going to show you how to create a Windows ISO file from running Windows application. Is not a download the Windows file. If you download a tool, that's a hardly 13 MB, and whatever Windows you are running, it will create ISO file from there. In no require internet. So in I have created one video, separate video, and I will link to in this video. I provide the link for that video, so you can watch it before. If you don't have any file, so you don't have to download anything. Just download this media creation 13 MB file. You can create it. So always I will recommend you to follow the standard website. because if you going some other website, like it, they will just redirect you, they misguide you. Like you can see, so other link also, like, if I click over this link, like saying so many things, they are showing how to create this, but follow the standard website. So it's 41%. I'm going to pause my video, so I will show you once completed. Guys, that file is completed. You can see that here this is pasted here. So what you can do, just close this one. You have to type exit. Okay, after that, here also you have to type exit. So here my pen drive is completed. It became a bootable pen drive, so I can right click and eject the media. So here there is certain command I given in my in my video description, so you can follow this command. If you using Ubuntu, you want to make a bootable pen drive, there is a tool available we call startup disk. You can use that one, startup disk in Ubuntu. If you want to know more about this one, so you can search on, you can Google it. So you will get lot of the information how to make that one. Then in Ubuntu, so you can see started disk, so you can use that one. Point out your ISO file. After that, you can create. It's very easy step in Ubuntu operating system, Linux. So follow this command. If you have any doubt, please write me email. I will clarify or paste the comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's main important to me. Thank you very much.